Hello, and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a classic reborn for the modern age, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. If you're a fan of muscle cars, this one's going to take your breath away. Let's start with the design. Chevrolet has done a fantastic job keeping the iconic elements of the original Chevelle SS, while giving it a futuristic upgrade. The aggressive front grille, those sharp LED headlights, and the sculpted lines running through the body scream performance and style. It's muscular, it's bold, and it looks ready to own the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevelle SS packs a serious punch. Chevy has outfitted this beauty with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, pushing out around 650 horsepower. That's right, this car isn't just for show. It's built to deliver a high-octane driving experience, taking you from 0 to 60 in just under 3.5 seconds. Whether you're on the highway or at the track, the Chevelle SS ensures you feel every bit of that raw power. Stepping inside, you'll notice a balance between retro charm and modern tech. The interior is a blend of premium materials, featuring leather sport seats, a minimalist dash, and a digital display packed with all the latest infotainment options. And while it's got that old-school muscle car feel, the tech is anything but old. Expect features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a top-of-the-line sound system to keep you connected and entertained. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is expected to start at around $85,000. It's not the cheapest muscle car on the market, but for the combination of performance, heritage, and modern technology, it's certainly worth considering if you're looking for a premium driving experience. So, what do you think about the new Chevelle SS? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this modern muscle for a spin? And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.